morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Welcome back to another vlog. Let me step out of the sun. But hi, happy Monday. I am feeling good today. I just survived 3 days alone with a sick baby. Bradley went on a bachelor party, but he's home as of last night, and I did it. Not that I didn't think I could do it, but him being sick definitely like threw a wrench into the weekend. But it was actually really nice and great, and yeah, but it is now Monday. Today I'm kind of having like a work day definitely, but also kind of like a pickup day of getting some things done. One of which being I need to pick the pears. So I mentioned in a video that I picked the pears too soon last year, but I don't think I did because they are falling off the tree. As you can see, they're falling off the tree. Also, something is stealing them. They took 2 of my pears and they're just leisurely half eating them throughout the day. So rude, but I'm going to get out my fruit picker and pick some pears. Most of them look like real ready pears. Also, the other thing is that the one pear we picked in the one vlog, they take a while to ripen up after you pick them, but it ripened up and we ate it the other day and it was absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna get these off the tree before I lose any more. Once they ripen up, we'll figure out what to do with them. But I, if you can tell, have a lot way up high, which is why we needed the fruit picker. We didn't have that last year. So let's get these pears off.
Wait, you taught me, what did you say to do?
You want to get around it and then twist.
Twist. Okay. This is still too much of a workout for me. Let's give you a try.
Basket.
Yeah, not so easy, huh? Woo! It's okay, Lou. That is what we need to avoid. I'm gonna go for this one right here. Now there's a solo boy. Oh, yoo-hoo-hoo! Oh.
Okay, this is what we harvested. If you guys follow, I think it's Red something ranch on TikTok. He picks everything and then he yells, abundance! And that's exactly what we have. And we have a straggler. Is it okay? Yes. But this is all we picked. I am so excited. So like I said, they take a while to ripen once you pick them. But once they do, I'm gonna look up jam, maybe like canned pears. If you have pear recipes, let me know. Definitely some like pear tarts we'll make one night. I don't want them to go to waste. And now, I think, since it's in the shade, and it's also a beautiful day. I should have mentioned that. I said earlier I was in a good mood. Part of it is due to the heat wave is done and it literally feels incredible. I think it's like 70 something out here right now and there's a breeze and it is just so beautiful. Ludo's guarding his pears. Bradley's doing God knows what. I can't be involved. But I definitely have some potatoes ready. Some of these have died off. I've learned that you don't have to wait for them to die off, just for them to be like kind of sagging over. So we're gonna see what we can get today, but I definitely want to get some gloves because last time I was picking them there was worms in there and that's gross for me. So yeah, you garden your pears? Good boy. here is the full harvest of the morning. I'm obviously just beside myself. Look at all these pears. Look at all these potatoes. So excited. And I have so many more to go. I'm just going to give them more time to cook under there. And then just some random things. We're ready. Some snacking peppers, jalapeno, cherry tomatoes, and sun gold tomatoes. So I just want to bring those inside. But, oh, man. So excited. Okay, so now I am quickly going to just get out of the house for a little bit. As I said, I was home alone with Milo all weekend and he's been sick. So we didn't go anywhere else to not get anybody else sick. So I'm just gonna get out of the house, you know, for my mental health, for some fun. I have a lot more work I need to do today, but I have about an hour 15 before lunch. So I'm just going to run to Home Goods, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, whatever. I also do need to get something from World Market, so I might get that while I'm out. But yeah, if you're a work from home, stay at home mom, don't forget to get out of the house. It can become comfortable, and I like being home. I have no problem with it, but just for our mental health, it's good to get out there, even if it's just for a little bit, to peruse Home Goods for just some Johanna Parker things. Okay, back home, I completely struck out. I didn't see a single thing, which is, you know, sad, but probably for the best. And just as I'm like ready to bring my Halloween hunt to a close, they're gonna bring out Christmas stuff and I'm gonna be back to square one, but whatever. But I'm home now. We just had lunch, and while Milo is up, I went to work in our closet. There's just a few areas of our house that didn't get quite put back together after the floors being done, and everything had to be packed up. So everything got put, I have my camera ready to film. Everything got put back in the closet. It's just a mess, and you guys know I like my clothes color coordinated. I want all my dresses on that in color order, so that's what I'm gonna do, so then we can move this stuff and organize it. We also want to get some sort of closet system, but one thing at a time. But I'm gonna do this, probably do a little bit of work, and then I would like to work on unpacking my office because that is still in boxes as well. And I wanna decorate for Halloween this week, and I want everything to be a nice clean slate. You guys, this is my prom dress. It's the greatest thing I've ever seen, but the waist on it compared to what I've got now is so sad. Not sad, it is what it is. She was snatched, but look how cute. I was obsessed with this dress. It's Betsy Johnson, and I thought it was so like far out there that nobody else would have it. Somebody else totally had it. I went to 2 proms. My boyfriend in high school went to a different school. Somebody at my prom totally had this dress, and it was like all dramatic, but I didn't actually care. But I don't know why I hold on to this, because I'm clearly never going to be able to fit into it again. But it means as much to me as my wedding dress, so she's staying. She'll just go into a different closet. She's iconic. It's the next day. I'm currently decorating for Halloween, which is why Ludo's in his pumpkin outfit. But Bradley is out here aerating the lawn, but one of his shoes wasn't working. One of his shoes wasn't working. Pee my pants. Oh my god.
Is it working?
I don't know. You look great though.
Do I?
So he's got one shoe on, and then he's using his.
I need some new shoes. Or I need to figure out a better system.
I'm literally crying. Good
I
boy.
was like, you're gonna want to see this.
As if I haven't been watching.
This, you haven't seen this. This just started 2 minutes ago.
But it's seed planting time, so. Looks good.
Look good?
Yeah. So I'm unloading Halloween stuff. So stay tuned for a decorate with me video. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Hi you guys. Happy Tuesday. We got some shadows. I'm just trying to avoid showing you that. Alexa, lights on.
Okay.
I think it was literally last Tuesday that I vlogged last, and that table pretty much looks the same. But I have made quite a stride in Halloween decorating. I am going to upload some sort of like decorate with me or decorations tour, whatever I normally do. Some variation of that, but it's a week later. I haven't been vlogging because I've just been decorating and filming for that pretty much when I have time, and editing and whatever. But I thought I would tack on another day to this vlog. I'm trying to upload it in a couple of days. So I was like, let's just vlog another day. We have a bit of a busy week just because we have a wedding this weekend. We're trying to get a lot of things done before then. So this morning I have some returns to do. I have some Amazon returns, Michael's return, Marshall's return. So I'm gonna go do those right now while I almost said while Bradley naps, but while Milo naps. Bradley works in a few hours, so I have a few hours to get that done. And then what I really want to do today is organize, unpack the office, which I still have not done. I think I mentioned in this vlog that I was going to do it. I even like got all the cleaning stuff. I was going to clean all the furniture and all that, and then Milo woke up and I just haven't gotten back to it, but I really want to. So I want that to be the priority today. I don't have too much editing or like computer work to do, so I'm gonna spend probably my second nap doing that. So yeah, I just thought I'd take you along for the day. I do have a nail appointment, my first nail appointment with people have asked like, where am I gonna go now? I'm gonna go to the same place. I have always had a backup girl who does a great job as well, so she's just my new nail girl. I'm getting my nails done today because I want to get some filming done, and then the wedding, like I said. And then I think we're going to make one of our faves, the Jada, it's like the vegetable bolognese pasta. It's so good, but we have some produce to use up, so I think we're going to make that for dinner. But I'm gonna be cutting it late for dinner. Like Bradley's gonna have to do dinner all by himself if he can, so it's just gonna be a little bit of a busy day, but I thought I'd bring you along. So let's go run some errands. I said that as if I'm going to take the camera with me. I'm not. If I feel like vlogging on my phone, I will, but I probably won't. Just got home from my nails. Here they are. Yeah, you say hello? Yeah. So we have the beautiful pasta. Bradley even whipped up a salad.
How's the pasta, Milo? Do you love it?
Milo's been a little bit pickier since he was sick. Some foods he did not like, and this pasta he doesn't want, so.
I just spent the last hour on it.
Also, I didn't mention this, but we were watching my brother's dog, Luna Tuna, this week. Her name is Luna, but we call her TT, and it just is what it is. It was Luna and then Tuna, and now it's TT. So we got the Halloween lights on. It's lovely.
Oh, did you see the outside lights?
I did. It looks great.
Great.
Hi guys, happy
Wednesday.
Wednesday Day. Yes. Can you say hi?
Hi, Wednesday.
But hi guys, I just filmed. I've got some very orange blush on. I've already showed my nails, but I am going to make a buttload of banana bread because Milo loves it, and I have 4 bananas that need to be used up, so I'm going to make a loaf. You excited? I'm going to make a loaf, and then I'm also going to make cupcakes, like muffin type things that I can just put in the freezer and we can take those out as we need, but might as well use up all the bananas. I realize I just vlogged this, so I won't do like a whole thing, but maybe just a quick little time lapse. We're also making taquitos. We're kind of behind on everything today, so Milo just ate, and I also just whipped up some avocado with those taquitos. They're in the oven. But yeah, that's what we're up to.